In Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, you can add credits to the end of your video when you're done with most of the rest of post-production. Now this process is very similar to adding text, and it can be done with the same number of ways. So you can go the motion titles that are already here, and technically you could use those as an end title, such as on this one down here with the skateboard where it says end title. You can also go to more classic titles as well, and there are many templates as well. Now we're going to go to the action templates, the crazy cartoons of the movies, and you see there's different styles of credits. You could have one that's more like for the beginning, and there are some that are more book styled, others that are the classic credits, some that you overlay with videos. We're just going to grab this newsreel one over here and pull it in. And now we have the end credits for the video. And they move relatively quickly in relation to the rest of the video. And you simply click on it, go to adjustments, and here's where you can change the font, the size, and so on and so forth, and then just click to add the text where you want it.